So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and brighten out some areas of this image. So to go ahead and do that, you can utilize something called the DAW's brush tool. So to access the DAW's brush tool, you can go under pixel right here, and then around over here on the left hand side on the brush section, you can see the DAW's brush tool. So as with any other brush, you can go ahead and change the size of it, and on the dark areas, if you were to go ahead and paint, it will be bright. But you don't see any change right here. That is because this is a regular layer. You have to convert it into a pixel layer first. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and right click right here and then go around and choose rasterize. Once you do that and draw, you can see that by using the DAW's brush tool, it simply goes ahead and brightens out the areas you brush. Just like this. Go ahead and drag and it brightens out the area. You can change around the size of the brush right here. Just go ahead and drag, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how the DAW's brush tool actually works inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.